This is Chris with Auto Text Me here with Jennifer, multi-shop owner operator of Ted Wiens. Thank you for your time, Jennifer. I'm going to ask you a couple questions about Auto Text Me. And the first question I'd like to ask you is, how has Auto Text Me impacted Ted Wiens?
You know, we're in a digital age. A lot of people don't want to communicate via phone or a phone call. So the texting really helps. People don't pick up a phone, they text you back.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And what would you say out of all the features, what is your favorite feature of Auto Text Me?
There's no more paper. It's easier to communicate with the customer. You can take pictures, you send it to them right away. You're done with your inspection, it sends it to the customer right away so they know what's going on, where their car's at in the process. They don't have to be present to know, okay, this is broke on it. You can send them a picture of what's broke or what's good or whatnot.
Excellent. And in auto repair, we know that 3 out of 4 people don't trust us, right? So it creates that trust and transparency in the transaction.
Yep, and the communication is key when that comes in.
Excellent. You have 10 locations, so tell us a little bit about the adoption in your 10 locations when you rolled out Auto Text Me.
I started off doing 1 location. It took about a month just to figure out the bugs and the kinks, and that was just that's on us figuring out our process. And then I went to the next store and we'd figure out, oh, let's do this. This works better. So we go back to the next store, to where the last 3 stores I rolled out in 1 week. It just got super easy, and we're still working on it, figuring out our process, but it's so easy.
And I'd have to ask, has training and support been there for you?
Training and support is phenomenal. They will call you back after hours. They'll email you. It's been great.
Awesome. And if you had anything to say about Auto Text Me to the rest of the world, what would it be?
If you haven't started, what are you waiting for?
Excellent. Thank you for your time, Jennifer.
Thank you.
Appreciate that.